Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial, I'm going to break down for you how you can create a line graph in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. Now, first enter the data you would like to be featured in your line graph, like for example, list of month, and here to the right, a list or a column with financial contributions per month in units like that. So what you want to do, guys, is simply mark the data you would like to put into a line graph, just like that with your left mouse. And after that, head over to Insert here in the top menu. And here in the chart section to the right, select the type of graph you would like to add. In this case here, a line graph. So click on that arrow down icon here and select the type of graph you would like to apply, like a 2D line graph, a 3D line graph, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to apply that one here. And there you go. As you can see, my data has been converted into a line graph like that. And that's basically it. Now you can move that graph around here in your document and customize or edit it, whatever you like. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.